Good morning, everyone. So it snowed overnight a lot, and it's not that cold. It's around 2 degrees, 3 degrees. But what I wanted to do is, the car is cold. I have two thermometers in the car, and I want to heat up the car and see how long it takes till it heats up. Let me show you. There's one here. 2 degrees. And there's one in the back, right there, and this here shows both. So top one is here, bottom one is in the back. So even now you can see that it's cold in the back. So it's important that those vents here, they're closed, and I'm just gonna blow air up to the window and down to the feet, and there should be another one in the bottom, in the back here on the feet that says it in the manual. Let's hope that this is true. So let's put you here. There. Now you can see both temperatures, and you can see the consumption of the heat here. The little green thing here. Now it's zero. Only thing that's drawing power is this lamp here, and of course the navigation system and the instrument cluster. So let's heat it up. Can you even get there? I think so. On. Do it on 27 degrees. Full blow. Heat is on. Heat starting. What's the outside temperature? Outside temperature is 1 degree, and it's starting to heat up. So I'm going out, leaving you guys alone. I'm shoveling snow. Damn it. Sorry, totally wrong. Not driver only. So you can hear what noise the heat pump and the fans make. Go around the car to here. Yeah, it's all in the front. Okay, done shoveling. God, it makes noise. And the fans. Can hear more from here. Stuff. What keys here? Oh, that's warm. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.